Sending money to Nepal using Azimo app is now faster and smarter. Azimo offers a seamless interface for international money transfers with competitive exchange rates and low fees. Users can fund transfers using bank accounts, debit or credit cards. Once initiated, the money reaches your recipient within minutes or a few hours depending on the payout method. First, register on the Azimo app with a verified email and phone number. Always keep your KYC documents ready to ensure smooth transactions. So first, choose Nepal as the destination country and then just select the local bank or mobile wallet for your recipient. Now here are some hidden tricks to really maximize your transfers. Try checking midweek rates for better exchange rates, use promotional codes for fee reductions, and if you can, opt for recurring transfers to unlock loyalty discounts. You can also benefit from Azimo's local payout partners to help reduce transfer time. Another smart move is to use multi-currency wallets to hold funds in stable currencies before sending. And don't forget, monitoring Azimo notifications can alert you to sudden currency rate spikes. Finally, using in-app chat support can help resolve issues faster than emails. Azimo's security protocol uses 256-bit encryption to protect your data. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication for added safety. You can track every transaction in real time from initiation to receipt. Whether sending for family support, business, or educational purposes, the Azimo app makes money transfer to Nepal efficient and reliable.